I'm a serum paglu, glossy skin without gloss. That's why this is the best. This one is a hidden gem. I don't see anyone talking about it. Hi kitty fam, namaste. So I have tested hundreds of skincare products over the years, and if you asked me in this moment to choose my best skincare of all time, these are the products that I would choose. And honestly, there's more than one product that I love for each skincare step. But to keep it simple and not overwhelm you guys, I have tried my best to just keep it to one skincare product. So number one, face wash. I love the deep cleansing exfoliating cleanser. Arencia Fresh Green Rice Mochi Cleanser is amazing. It removes all of my blackheads and whiteheads, and it just cleans the gunk out of my skin. It is one of the best rice mochi cleanser I've ever used, and it's not a basic boring cleanser. It has this pudding texture which is so fun to use, and I just love how fresh and clean my skin looks every time I use it. But I also want to mention the Simple Refreshing face wash because it is so affordable and such a reliable gentle cleanser of all time. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money on your cleanser, then this is the one I would go for. Best mask for your skin of all time, which is 100 times better than any facial out there. It's the Biodance Collagen Real Deep Mask. Glossy skin without gloss. My skin reflects light. This one is a hidden gem. I don't see anyone talking about it, and it's the Arencia Holy Hyssop Serum. This serum gives my skin clarity like no other serum. It is perfect for hyperpigmentation and for uneven skin tone and for that glossy skin. I'm a serum paglu. I have serums for every skin issue, but if I had to choose just one, this is the one. Next, for the best moisturizer of all time, as I'm getting older, I need more from my moisturizer than just hydration. Dr. Althea 345 Relief Moisturizer. Now this one has niacinamide, panthenol, and it feels so calming, comforting, and soft on my skin. Best thing about it, it is so lightweight. Even though it's like a cream based moisturizer, it is one of the most lightweight cream moisturizer out there. It feels like food for my skin. It gives enough nourishment to actually repair my skin. That's why this is the best. It's time for the best sunscreen of all time, Beauty of the Sun Aqua Fresh Sunscreen. This is what I'm wearing every day under my makeup, without makeup, no greasy, like zero greasiness, so lightweight, and it feels so comforting on my skin. I can wear it whole day, go to the beach, come back and not get any breakout. It has rice water, which is one of my favorite ingredient to have in a sunscreen, honestly. For wrinkles, fine lines, and pore tightening, basically the best retinol cream of all time, Celemix Retinol Short Tightening Booster. I discovered this last year and already it has been my holy grail. I love to use it in the night time, and it not only works on your fine lines and wrinkles, but it actually gives a glass skin. Like every morning I wake up with this glossy glass sparkly skin. Next, for milky toners, and this was so hard to choose because I love so many of them, but I promised you I would choose only one, and it's the I'm From Rice Toner. This is my third bottle of rice toner. It gives this brightening effect on my skin, and it is the most lightweight milky toner out there. So if you have like oily skin, you can use this. And before someone says ki Manvi, you always choose expensive skincare, I'm so disappointed. I did get a comment like that, and अगर तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है, then you don't watch all of my content. I have mentioned so many affordable skincare products, but this video is about the most best skincare of all time. So regardless of the price, I'm gonna choose the best, most effective skincare जिससे सबसे ज़्यादा results दिए, जो सबसे ज़्यादा effective है, and I keep buying them again and again. So regardless of the price, even if it's affordable, I'm gonna choose it over the expensive one. It just have to perform and be just amazing, mind blowing, and that's why for my best summer toner, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत गर्मी होती है इंडिया में and it gets really humid, for those days I use the water based toner, and उसके लिए मैं प्लम को चुनती हूँ. This is the Plum Marine Water Spring Toner. Oh my god, you can see how much I've used it. I will repurchase it. It gives me that mini facial and I just love the spray of this. It's so fine. Next step is essence. Still the Snail 96 Museum Power Essence. Oh my god, I still have been using it after 5-6 years, so it has to be something super special. Best skincare for your pimples, active acne, Centella Blemish Cream. I have wasted so much of my money in buying creams for my acne breakouts, but this one is the most effective one that I found ever. Best lip balms. Okay, so I've tried all the variants of Laneige Lip Glowy balms, but there's something special about the blueberry. It smells so amazing. It reminds me of my childhood, like when I used to love jam. I literally used to eat paratha with jam, you guys. That's so gross. But little me finished like jars of jam. Best exfoliating toner of all time. Now, you guys know that in the night time, I love to use the exfoliating toners. It also helps with the tanning and removing the dead skin cells, even with your whiteheads and blackheads. So it does a lot. That's why it is very important to include exfoliating toner. And most of the exfoliating toners are a little bit harsh on the skin, as they have like acids, glycolic acid, lactic acid, which can be little harsh. Okay, but this one by Ordinary, it is such a underrated gem. It doesn't use any acids. In fact, it uses Saccharomyces ferment 30%. So it's like a milky exfoliating toner, which is very unique. There's nothing like this, and so many people are sleeping on it. It gives such a beautiful glass skin every time I use it. Whenever I feel my skin is looking dull and congested, I use this, and next day my skin is looking new, fresh. Sorry kitties, I forgot to film the outro. It was such a chaotic day. But make sure to subscribe because I will be posting best hair care and best body care and part 2 of the best skincare on my YouTube shorts. So keep an eye on the shorts. Bye.